Guys, we're out here at Morro Bay. We're gonna be targeting some leopards and some rays. We're using a little fish finding rig, and I don't got big weight, so I had to double up on them. And we're just using a whole squid with the Gamakatsu circle hook, and I'm just using it on my swim bait setup. Nothing special, but we're gonna see if we can get out there and get on some big fish. All right, and we just got out of work, and I just happened to be working here, so I'm taking advantage of this. All right. Launch it out there. Perfect. Now it's just a waiting game. I think it's like 20 something feet right there. There we go, we're on bottom. Now we just need to set the drag. Alright guys, we went with the smaller piece of squid on this rod, and I just got it on a dropper loop. So let's get it out there, guys. Here goes nothing. There we go. Got it way out there. I think we got it further than this rod. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Let's give him some line, because they're having trouble getting that hook, so give him some time. And then got his ass. Oh yeah. Oh daddy, my favorite. Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, baby, we gotta run it. Yeah, we got one. Hold on, boys. That's a good one. It's a ray. Let me get this rod in the water. Out of the water. Yeah, it might be a small one. Oh, I'm using the cheapo reel. Using Walmart reel. No, get out of this. Get out of there. No. He's deep up in there. Got a little ray. It's a nice little one. Not too bad. Got more kelp than some stinger. There he goes, guys. Look at that. Nice little ray. on the cheap Walmart rod. I don't know, I never ate one. Oh no. Alright y'all, for the poke pulling rig, we're just using a jig head with a piece of squid. And that seems to be getting them. We're just gonna pitch it into any of these little cracks. And they seem to just be right there again, waiting for it, and they just bite it. It's pretty fun, especially when the big fish aren't really cooperating. Like right there where you just got bit. Oh, you let go. See if I can see these fish, because you can usually see them come out their little holes and come get the bait. Oh yeah, there he goes, right there. I think that's a rockfish. There he's biting, you see him biting? Got him. Oh, that's a big one. That's a monster eel. Just don't let him dig you in those cracks, because you will not get him out. That's a big one. He's trying to go back into the water. Look at that. That's a good one right there, guys. I'm barely talking because there's a bunch of people, but fuck it. I don't care. I don't care what they think about me. Look at that, guys. That's a good one. Set my rod down. Look at that. That's a good one. I hate touching these guys. Oh, see? They just slide right out of your hands. Alright, y'all. We're out here at Morro Bay. I'm doing pretty good. We already got one. A couple eels. And my fault, my hands are all dirty with all that slime from the stingrays, but it's looking pretty good out here. We got one on the dropper loop rig, but we haven't been bitten on the fish finder rig. So yeah, we just downsized our bait sizes, and we started using half squids instead of full squids. So if you look on this rod, I got a half squid, and then on this rod right there, the black one, I got a full squid. So white half, black full squid. So we'll see what we can get onto in a couple minutes, hours, or whatever it is. Hopefully we get on the big end. I'll be back with y'all soon. We're getting a run, guys. Here goes, good one. Oh, I think it's a good one, guys. Oh, it broke my line. No. Yep. See if we can film it in. Hold on, guys. We are on. Whatever it is small. He was messing with it for a minute. Feels like dead weight. see if we can get rid of this rod. Just like that. Feels like a shark. Oh, yeah, little ray. Oh. Yeah. Not as quite as the big one I lost earlier.
Is that octopus on it?
Don't touch it, guys.
Is that octopus on it?
Yeah. Alright.
Alvin, you guys.
Hook up baits. I think this is like the 3-inch, but yeah, we're gonna see if we can hook up on some rockfish or bass, whatever's down there. This thing slays them. If they're here, they're gonna eat this. Oh, we got hit right now. Oh, we got hit again. We can't hook up. Oh, we had him right there, guys. He smacked it. A lot of times you get hit on the fall with this lure. Oh yeah, we got him, guys. We're hooked up. There you go. Oh, he choked it. Nice little rockfish. These things are so fun to catch. I know sometimes. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh no. He broke me off. We got a big one, guys. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, a little cabbie. A little cabbie, I think. Man, we can actually eat this guy if we wanted to. It's a nice little, oh, it's not even a cabbie. I don't know what rockfish this is, but it's a good one. Open your mouth, bro. Dude, these guys got a lockjaw or something? Cannot get his mouth open. They look like little groupers. There he goes, right there. Nice little one right there.